Join us on a captivating journey through the heart of Soppeng Regency, Indonesia, where culture, tradition, and music blend in perfect harmony. In a mesmerizing event, the Soppeng Regency government brought together 2,772 students from all across Soppeng Regency for the Oni-Oni to Riolo Art performance. It wasn't just a performance, it was a captivating display of culture with students playing traditional Bugis musical instruments like drums, bamboo flutes, and lute instruments. Each note, each rhythm, and each beat was a call out to the rich cultural heritage of the Bugistribe. All thanks to the government of Soppeng Regency, this remarkable event now holds a special place in the Asia Book of Records. So join us in celebrating not just a record-breaking performance, but the preservation of a culture that resonates through music and unity. Stay tuned for more incredible global records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.